Montana got that heat, let's go.
All right, guys, so here is Bluedio's latest earbuds, and you know, they sound okay. They're not award-winning in my humble opinion, but they'll do. And you know, they don't cost a whole lot. It comes in a nice charging case, you know. So testing these out, I look at sound quality, and you know, the sound quality is decent. It's nothing that I'm gonna run home about. I think the same thing with the other pro version of the other version of Bluetooth that I reviewed from Bluedio, with the gray top on them. I got them upstairs, but they don't have the tips that are in the box. To me, for my ears, aren't big enough. I put on the biggest tip right away because it ships with the smallest one on there, and the snug fit to seal off sound for me just isn't there. So with the other earbuds, I had to get a tip from a different box of old earbuds that I had and resolve the issue that way with a bigger tip on it. But in the end, you know, the sound quality is pretty decent. It doesn't have killer bass, you know, like some people might require, but in fact, they are affordable earbuds. You know, earbuds now are, again, I've said it before, this is a tough game. This is a tough game to be in with Bluetooth earbuds because top brands now, if you will, top brands or well-known brands are selling their earbuds for less. So it's hard to and Bluedio, by the way, is a big known brand for Bluetooth. So I've purchased plenty of Bluetooth from Bluedio, and I've been reviewing theirs lately. So while these aren't stellar, they're not horrible. So, you know, this is kind of like a trial and error. You'll have to test these out to see if you like them. If you do like them, well, you got a good set of earbuds. If you don't like them, you know what you can do. But I do like the design of these. Obviously, they look like a certain brand earbuds, and you know, they're Bluetooths. Sound quality, battery life with the other Bluetooth earbuds from Bluedio, which is another version of these, it's actually pretty good because depending on how long you're using a Bluetooth, that's going to determine how much life you get out of the charging case and the earbuds themselves. So haven't fully tested these yet, but just want to give an introduction, and I'll follow up with these another video in a week like I always do. This is just an unboxing introduction of Bluedio's latest earbuds, and I'm glad to have them on the channel. It's your man Jay, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.